জানো তো কালকে আমি মিথ্যে মেকআপ করছি, আজকে আমি সত্যি মেকআপ করব। আমার সত্যি মেকআপ করা ভালো লাগে।
ও খুশি খুব সাজতে চাইছে, isn't it? So Khushi is my client today and I am her makeup artist. Okay, so Khushi wants to do some facial makeup and some hairstyles, isn't it? And she wants it real. That's why we will do now. Okay, but it will be a simple one, not so hinky pinky. ठीक है ना? ठीक है. So have you washed your face before doing makeup?
Yes.
Okay. So what I will do first? I will give some cream. Okay. I will give some cream. This is his baby cream. Baby cream. Okay. It's not coming out. Why? Okay. Leave it.
না সত্যি
Okay, okay. I am giving you one by one. Don't talk.
এটা শুকনো
Acha. Then what I am going to do next? Oh, bit more. Acha, you want to take it more? Okay, bit more I am giving. ठीक है. Okay. She is very interested in makeups, isn't it?
মামাকে
ও মামাকেও মেকআপ করে দেয়। এবার আজকে বলেছি খুশিকে যে ওকে মেকআপ করেই দিতে হবে। আগের দিন নকল নকল মেকআপ করছিলাম, ইট ওয়াজ আর্টিফিশিয়াল নট রিয়েল, বাট টুডে ইজ আ উইকেন্ড, নো স্টাডিজ মোর, সো শি ওয়ান্টস এ রিয়েল কমপ্লিট মেকআপ। সো হার ক্রিম, ফেস ক্রিম ইজ ডান।
জানো তো কালকে আমি ঘুড়ি উড়াতে যাব।
ও আবার ঘুরিয়ে ওড়াতে যাবে ও বলছে। কালকে কি কি করবে সব প্ল্যান রেডি। এবার হোয়াট আই এম গিভিং, দিস ইজ নেক্সট face powder. Okay, I'm giving bit of face powder here to make it dry. So it's done.
Yes.
Face powder is done. Then what I will give next? Then kajal, some eyeliner, isn't it? Okay. So close your eyes. She always loves to do makeup. So your eyeliner is also done. Okay? Close your eyes once more. Close your eyes. Next. Oh, she wants to check it. Okay, you will check it later, not now. Okay, then some bit of eyebrows. We will shape the eyebrows. Okay. Don't see like this. Don't see like this. You will see finally in the mirror, not now. Is it? Okay?
Okay.
Not now.
Okay.
Let me finish up your makeup. Okay?
Okay.
So I am combing your eyebrows. Next, what will we do?
Next.
We will give some eyeshadow. So I don't have real eyeshadow right now. What I'm going to do, I will use some lipsticks. Okay, so close your eyes. Close your eyes. Face up. Instead of direct eyeshadow, I am giving bit of red color of lipstick. It's as a substitute because I don't have eyelashes right now with me. Sorry, eyeshadows.
গালেও দেবে।
Oh, she wants it in the cheeks also. So let me give some face powder to make it clear.
আওয়াজ হচ্ছে।
Okay, now it's done. Now next we will do the eye lips. We will first line it with the lip liner. Oh, she knows too. Open her lips, mouth. Make tight, lips tight. She is very interested. She is not moving. She knows. While makeup, you shouldn't move. So your liner is done, lip liner. Now we will do the lipstick. Tight it. Now. Okay. Do it some bit of. So, her face makeup is finished. Now we will do the hair makeup. Do you want a ponytail or a simple hairs? Clips. Ponytails. Okay.
Ponytail,
Brush your hair first.
ponytail and clips.
Clips. Okay. I'm doing one by one. She always loves to do makeups. Isn't it?
Yes.
She finds out some occasion so that she can do makeup. Are you going to become a makeup artist when you grow up?
Yes.
Oh, you will become a makeup artist. Acha. Okay, so one pony is finished.
Some mosquitoes.
Oh, again here mosquito. This winter season, it's really bad. Too many mosquitoes are coming day by day and it's biting us. Mosquitoes are not allowing us to sit properly. Oh, it's full it's swelling now. Okay, wait for some time. Let me finish the thing.
And clips.
Okay, so your pony is ready almost. Now I will put on the clips. Yes, your two ponies are finished. I'm doing one by one. Let me put on the clips now, one by one. What happened?
Space.
Okay.
Space.
Wait a minute, I'm giving now one by one. Don't talk. Clips are getting bad. Yeah, it's getting all breaking up. Okay, no, not a problem. I'm doing. Don't talk. The clips are not good. It's not fixing. Bad clips. It's not coming out. Leave it. Better I am giving you some these clips. Okay? Sit properly. Don't move. Sit properly. I am doing your makeup. Then I will not be able to do the makeup. Okay? It's done. Now clips and hair is finished. Okay? Now what I am going to do next? Oh, I will give one bindi. Sit properly or I will not be able to do makeup. You are now moving too much. Your bindi is ready. Krishi's bindi is ready. Now she wants to have one bangle. Wow. See? Beautiful bangle. Now she wants to have one nail lace. So, let me wear it. Wow. Now one thing is left. This is her earrings. Wow. Another one. This one.
Oh.
So yes, sir. Earring is also ready. Last one. And what is this? The perfume. The spray. She wants to have one perfume also because she likes beautiful smell. Okay. So her makeup is finished. So are you happy with your makeup?
Yes.
Huh? You're liking it?
Yes.
Okay. Then ta-ta.
Ta-ta.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.